Thomas pulls and Bow. He owns his own branch line. He likes to sing a song, which they all do. It goes something like, "Oh come, oh come along, oh come along." And he quibble, we're coming along. And another repeats, "Oh come along, oh come along, oh come along, we're coming along." Shouted Annie and Quibble. Thomas sometimes argues with some of the main engines, mostly Gordon, James, and Henry, about how they bring Thomas weight. One day, Thomas was waiting for Henry when Henry came up. "Oh, sorry for being late." "Oh, rubbish," she said. "Oh, you don't understand. You don't understand what I suffer," moaned Henry. "Rubbish," said Thomas. "You're too fat. You need exercise." Dun, dun, dun. So the guard blew his whistle and Thomas went off. The guard tried to go to Clarabelle, but he tripped over some luggage of an old lady's baggage. And when he got up, Thomas already left. And he tried to shout, "Oh, Thomas, we left our guard behind." "Oh, come along, oh, come along," until they stopped. Thomas at a station. At a station, Thomas stopped. He was waiting for the guard, but he didn't hear no guard. "Wonder what you left our guard behind." And after they heard something, a guard came up, went to Clarabelle and blew his whistle. Thomas went off, thinking to himself, "Oh dear. Thomas made sure that next time it may be too late if the guard won't be left behind." The guard said it wasn't Thomas's fault but it was because of some baggage. But I wonder if next time he'll trip on some baggage. Do you?